How can a simple mineral help us stay young? Magnesium, an essential component of our bodies, could play one of the key roles in the fight against aging, much like a mechanic who keeps the finely tuned machinery of our cells in perfect working order. It serves as a cofactor for critical processes such as deoxyribonucleic acid repair, the regulation of inflammation, and energy production, ensuring that our internal engines run smoothly. The basis for these insights comes from a fascinating study, which we will examine in more detail later. In this video, we will unravel the remarkable connections between magnesium and the so-called central biological characteristics of aging, showing you how this humble mineral could revolutionize your health. Magnesium is the fourth most abundant mineral in the human body and plays a vital role in over 600 enzymatic reactions, including the synthesis of deoxyribonucleic acid and the activation of enzymes in energy metabolism, such as adenosine triphosphatases. It is indispensable for energy production, deoxyribonucleic acid repair, and the regulation of cellular metabolism. But here's where it gets intriguing. Magnesium is also a critical factor for the stability of our genes. Studies suggest that a deficiency in magnesium makes deoxyribonucleic acid more susceptible to damage, potentially increasing the risk of age-related diseases such as cancer. In 2013, the 9 hallmarks of aging were defined: genetic instability, shortening of chromosome ends, changes in gene activity, imbalance in protein homeostasis, impaired nutrient sensitivity, meaning a reduced ability of the body to perceive nutrients, mitochondrial dysfunction, the cell's power plants, cellular aging, exhaustion of stem cells, and altered communication between cells. According to a study conducted by Dominguez and colleagues in the year 2024, magnesium has a direct impact on many of these characteristics. The study was a comprehensive narrative review that consolidated current research findings on magnesium and aging. This type of study evaluates existing literature to create a holistic picture, providing a valuable overview of the current state of research. It helps identify gaps in knowledge and lays the groundwork for further investigations to deepen these insights. Among other aspects, the study analyzed the significance of magnesium in stabilizing telomeres, the protective caps of our chromosomes, and demonstrated how it supports enzymatic reactions involved in deoxyribonucleic acid repair. Additionally, the study highlighted magnesium's role in regulating inflammatory processes and supporting the function of mitochondria, which are critical for energy production as the powerhouses of the cell. The goal was to establish a link between magnesium levels and aging processes to explore potential therapeutic approaches. One example of this is mitochondrial function. Mitochondria are the powerhouses of our cells. The study shows that without sufficient magnesium, the production of adenosine triphosphate, the energy source of the cell, is disrupted. At the same time, oxidative damage increases, accelerating the aging process. By maintaining an optimal magnesium level, we can break this harmful cycle and improve cellular health. For instance, magnesium-rich foods like spinach or almonds can help boost your energy and protect your cells from oxidative stress. But how robust are these findings? While numerous studies highlight the benefits of magnesium, there are limitations. Many of the research findings are based on animal studies or observational research, which cannot establish causal conclusions in humans since they often lack randomized control groups and only show correlations rather than cause and effect relationships. Moreover, individual factors such as genetic differences or dietary habits can influence the outcomes. Therefore, it remains crucial to conduct well-designed clinical studies to clarify the exact mechanisms and effects. How can you benefit from this knowledge? A magnesium-rich diet, including foods like green leafy vegetables, nuts, and whole grains, is an excellent starting point. Dietary supplements can also be helpful, particularly when there is an increased need, such as during periods of stress or intense physical activity. In summary, magnesium plays a central role in nearly every aspect of aging. By optimizing our magnesium levels, we can potentially not only extend our lifespan, but also improve the quality of our years. Investing in your health is worth it. Magnesium not only supports energy production, but also strengthens the immune system and helps reduce inflammation. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you never miss any of our health tips. Who knows, maybe the next tip will change your life. Share your thoughts on this topic in the comments. As always, we wish everyone a long, healthy, and happy life. Until next time.